Hey there gorgeous, it's Angeline Jasmin, the Glow Pro. Today I'm bringing you my classic Royal Glow bridal makeup tutorial. Stay tuned and see how I complete this look on our beautiful model Tori. I'm starting off with this Gerard Cosmetics Eye Lid Primer. It's going to help conceal, but it's also going to help keep those eyeshadows in place. Since I'm going for a smoky eye, I'm going to define her lash line and her crease with this beautiful Tom Ford Desert Fox palette just to create a lot of depth and smokiness in that outer corner and that bottom lash line. Creating smoky eye looks, you want to actually make sure that the tool you're using is appropriate for the eye shape of your client. Making sure that your tools aren't too big or too small is going to help cut down the amount of time you're spending blending and also just create a much cleaner, more precise, detailed look. Now I'm going in with this rich dark brown liner to really just help create that depth on that lash line, really just help the false lashes blend with her own lashes and just create that depth and that smoky effect that we're looking for. Now I'm popping on some eyelashes and we're going to follow this with a black gel eyeliner to really just help conceal that lash band and also just reinstate some of that smokiness that gets blended out in the process. Well, it's time for foundation. I like applying foundation with a flat foundation brush just on the points and the areas that I really want more coverage. Then I blend it out with a more rounded blending brush. This is actually going to help just blend out that product really beautifully and really get the amount of coverage you want. I love brushes over beauty blenders because they're more hygienic and I have more control over the amount of pigment. I'm doing the same thing with concealer to really brighten that under eye area. With concealer, you want to start with very little and just make sure you blend it out. Don't place too much because then it'll look too harsh. Here the contour is going to help elongate her features since she has a more rounded facial features. So the way I place the contour is just to really help elongate and create that illusion that the face is a more elongated and not as round. And you just want to go in and really just get a great blend. I follow this up usually with a powder bronzer, which is going to help really just set that whole bronzer look and really just create more depth and more warmth to the skin. I follow it up with this awesome setting powder to really make sure that none of that makeup starts to shift later on. This actually helps with longevity, especially for things like weddings where she's gonna need that wear for long hours. I follow it up with beautiful blush and highlighter on those cheeks. And of course, don't forget the eyebrows. You want to fill them in according to your client's taste and according to how their brows look. I follow it in with a beautiful lip liner. I like using lip liners to kind of create a stain effect on the lips for longevity. And basically I just define the lip, then I blend it out. I'll add a lip color or a gloss to really finish the deal and just really give it a beautiful bridal pout. Bridal look is complete without a beautiful body glow. I love this one by Melanie Mills. It's my go-to, and look at this gorgeous girl. She looks stunning and radiant. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. Tell me what kind of looks you want to see. And until next time, stay gorgeous.